Here we are in Elwood, Indiana, and we were at the train track, and it is a street running train. The train goes right down the middle of the road, the street here, and we just talked to somebody, and they said that about 20 trains come through here a day, and there was one about 2 hours ago. So will we see one today? We don't know. But we will wait here a little bit longer. Here we're going to drive down the track. If you can see it right down through the railroad track goes right down the road. Could you imagine living here and these people have these trains right in their front yard? This is called a street runner train. And there it goes down there.